So far, you have learned how to build and monetize your directory using powerful tools and extensions. But here's the reality. Even the best directory won't grow without users. Marketing is what brings people to your platform. It's what turns your directory from a simple website into an active marketplace. In this lecture, I will walk you through the core marketing basics you need to get your fast user, listing, and traction. Directories have a unique challenge. You need both listing and user at the same time. No listing means no value for user. No user means no incentives for businesses. So your early marketing strategy should focus on solving this problem. Start small, focus on one niche, few location and categories, and build from there. Before promoting your site, you need content. Add a handful of listing yourself to make your directory look more robust. You can manually add listing, scrap data from public sources, and then invite a few businesses for free. This makes your directory look active and valuable for day one. Remember, people trust directories that have information they are seeking. Next, start reaching out to your local businesses by finding them on the map and listing them fast. Send simple emails or cold messages on LinkedIn, Facebook, or X by introducing yourself and inviting them to join. It's better to keep listing free for now. It can spark interest and help address any doubts. Later, you can upsell premium features like featured listing, ads, or booking options. The fastest way to grow your directory is to reach as many businesses as possible and build a network. Search engines are one of the most powerful sources of consistent free traffic. Make sure your listing have clear title, relevant keyword, proper categories, and location. Use the built-in SEO field within directories to optimize visibility, select the appropriate schema type for each listing, and leverage WordPress default taxonomy for cleaner URLs. Target location or niche-specific long-tail keyword with navigational or commercial intent. They are easier to rank for and bring meaningful traffic. Over time, your directory can appear in searches like Best Chinese Restaurant in LA or Top Car Services Near Me. Keep your content updated and regularly index your pages using Google Search Console and Webmaster Tools to maintain traffic flow. Also include structured content such as reviews, events, and attributes to provide better context, which helps search engines and AI-driven systems better understand your listing. Social media helps you create awareness. You can share featured listing, local businesses highlights, and shorts videos or tips. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok work specifically well for local directories. Consistency matters more than perfection here. Getting users is important, but keeping them is even more important. This is where features like search alerts, compare listing, advanced reviews, and coupons help bring users back to your platform. The more user return, the more valuable your directory becomes. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't try to target everyone at once. Don't launch without listing. Don't ignore poor SEO structure. And don't focus on quick cash. Results should come in the form of traffic and sessions and will eventually convert into revenue. Growth takes time, but consistency wins. Now you understand the basic of marketing for your directory website. In the next lecture, we'll wrap up this course and prepare you for part 3, where you'll start building a complete real-world directory step by step. See you in the next video.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.